Hello, Internet. Jesse here. I'm the one who edited the episode you're about to watch, and unfortunately we lost the audio. Real shame, because I love this episode of Watchmen, but we do still have the audio from the camera, and I figured you'd rather have this than nothing. So, the audio's not terrible, it's just not good. You know? Anyway, hope you still enjoy the episode. Thank you for watching.
Awkward Mafia.
Hello, Internet!
Welcome to another episode of Awkward Mafia Watches Watchmen. I'm Jesse.
I'm Kristine.
I'm Alex.
Today we're watching episode 5? 5.
Yeah.
Okay.
More than halfway.
More than-
halfway.
Yeah.
Halfway through the episode, we'll be halfway.
Yeah. I think I remember
No way.
which one. Yeah, we're yeah.
I might start singing Living on a Prayer halfway through the episode. Just go with it.
I think this is the middle episode. And if you read the book, you know middle stuff is pretty interesting.
I like being in the middle.
The
Of
middle,
course you do.
the middle issue of Watchmen is completely symmetrical. The framing, every page's framing of panels completely mirrors.
Interesting.
That's
Yeah.
cool.
Because Alan Moore is a crazy person. But okay. Last time some stuff went down. We know there's a plan. Will is involved with the plan.
Is Peter okay?
We met Lady True.
Yes.
Who bought the company from Adrian Veidt.
She also bought a farm.
Yeah.
Is there a Mr. False?
It's probably most men. Politician. Oh no, Joe Keane. There you go. He's probably Mr. False. He's a politician. Yeah. So a lot of pieces on the board. We don't really know how they connect yet, though. So why don't we just jump right into it? But first, you at home, be sure to support the official release on HBO Max. This is only a one-season show. They only made 9 of these, and they're not going to do any more. Or if they do, it's not going to be with Damon Lindelof and them, because he's like, I told what I wanted to tell. So Alan Moore wrote Watchmen, and then I wrote Watchmen. The next person can write the next Watchmen. So, who knows? Let's watch.
A minute before midnight. TikTok fire.
It's Wade.
That's the night he gave up on Jesus.
George Michael stars.
What? Have you ever had sex with a person? This might be your last chance, Oklahoma. Fuck you, Bible boy.
Well, that's awkward.
Yeah.
You're a filthy, dumb sinner, and now you get what you deserve.
Oh shit.
That's what happened.
Come back to New York.
They despised it.
What?
They despised your person.
No, man, they all said they loved it.
You didn't hire me to tell you what they said. You hired me to tell you the truth. They told you they loved it because what hot-blooded Oklahoma male is going to admit he's scared?
Hey, mirror guy. Hey, got that?
So you joined the force right after the White Knight.
Justice needed to be applied.
And once they let you go, you just put masks on. You had an excuse to wrap your entire head in reflective tape.
And by what?
Guaranteed protection from second class. So you watch a bunch of idiots and they tell you what they hate with the new flavor of Pringles. No one knows your secret mirror guy.
I know you know it's looking glass.
You can have a mirror guy if you want. She's like, it's open. Name's open.
Yeah.
Okay.
No charge.
I checked. Well, I bugged the cactus on your desk and Angela Abar, sorry, Sister Knight was just asking about some pills.
Bug my cactus.
Don't take it personally. I'm FBI. We bug shit. So. Don't take it.
I do not need a tutorial. I've conducted over 500 drills on this unit. It's your machine that's malfunctioning, not me. So you need to replace it. As often as I think that's it. No. No way. No good. I'm gonna need it too. Oh, hey, as soon as you can. No problem. That's great. Overnight. Do that. And throw in another roller of reflective team while you're at it.
So clearly he's over his trauma.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He literally wears a tinfoil hat all day, every day.
I mean, at least he hides it.
Yeah.
When
Yeah,
he's-
because that's healthy.
when he's
Hide
not-
your trauma.
Yeah, but for anyone who wasn't there, it would be weird. They would just say you're a crazy person. He's got some right to.
I know. But that's what I mean. Clearly it's helping hiding his trauma.
Also, when it happened, you know, he was surrounded by mirrors.
Yeah.
That too.
Which is probably why you do like mirror guy.
Yeah.
Naked eye, be honest. These dogs look exactly the same to you.
No, it's just a little smaller.
Shit. You want her?
What am I gonna do with a dog?
That's rough.
You won't tell me about the pills.
It's nostalgia.
Nostalgia. You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. Also sure they outlawed those, because it turns out putting memories into pill form led to psychosis. For 7 years I tried to convince you that I wasn't going to run off with your clothes and leave you naked all by yourself.
7 years of bad luck. Brenda Nemo. Welcome aboard.
I don't want to end up one of those fucking nutters with my head wrapped in their magic tinfoil. I'm near the time, right?
Because we are all in a tunnel, and every tunnel ends. It ends with light. And if you trust me, I will do my best to show you to it. Hands. We know there are other dimensions than this, but this is the dimension where we live, and we will not live in fear.
I don't believe you. There's no light. You're still in the tunnel. Follow me.
Back into the clown house.
There's a squid fall. And people just pull their cars over and turn their wipers on like aliens aren't falling from the fucking sky. Why isn't everybody petrified? The only time I'm not losing my mind is when I'm watching that film or fucking.
He's like, oh. What was that second option?
You know, fucking.
What was that second option? Get it, Wade.
See you Tuesday.
It's weird to hear the electric car, but still the gear shift with it. charges.
Yeah, pretty sure it's Liz.
Yeah. It's ahead of something. That car also had a gas tank.
It's where they store the electricity.
Now they do.
I think they just converted
Coverage,
it.
yeah.
Yeah.
Anyways, I had positively ID 7 case suspects requesting back.
Surprised he doesn't have anything else.
Right?
It's off the clock. Probably doesn't have it.
But he has to because he called backup.
For me,
He's got a walkie, but I think his mask is in a safe at home. He put it in a safe.
No, I know. But then
I don't know
other
why.
cops aren't
and then the
supposed to
cops are
know.
gonna see his face. Is your point?
Yes, he should have waited in the car for backup.
Also, now the 7th always gonna know. That doesn't make any sense.
Alright, come out over here.
Freaking Stargate.
Oh, he even just called police. Alright. He doesn't care if they know.
Just be cool, okay?
Reflecting, huh? You put that in all your heads? Gotta protect the gray matter from psychic blast, man.
Or you even tried to disguise your voice, Senator.
Shit, must have wearing my mask. Sorry. That is just incredibly rude. I'm not a murderer. I'm a politician.
Same thing.
Yeah, I was gonna say just as bad, but yeah.
These idiots to prevent that shit from happening again. I'm a buddy judge at the same as chief of police. Each of us managing our respective teams so that we can maintain the peace.
You're gonna open up a port in Tulsa. Drop another squid on us.
Come on. Where's the originality in that? No. No, we're gonna do something new. I'm gonna show you something. And after you see it, you're gonna walk out of here and you're never gonna be afraid of big teleporting aliens ever again. In return, I'm gonna ask you to do me a favor. This Angela Abar, she either killed Judd Crawford or she was serve her up. And that way I don't have to ask these racist Okies to go to her house and kill her and her entire fucking family. I just need to get her off the board for a couple of days while I wrap things up. I was appointed to the Appropriations Committee because I wanted something sexy like intelligence or judiciary, but get what you get, you don't get them sent, so I accepted. And my very first day, they brought me into a little room, and they showed me what I'm about to show you.
Hello, Rob. Adrian Veidt here. That the monster will not have come from another dimension at all. It will come from me. A hoax, Mr. President.
Is he on Europa? Moon, Jupiter? That's what it looks like in the background there is Jupiter.
Yeah. All of his.
Is he gonna draw a kelp or something?
Like SOS or something. Yeah.
Save me.
Was I not clear in my letter? Master Adrian Veidt? By the power vested in me as warden of these lands, I place you under arrest.
These are memories. Whose memories? They're my grandfather's. He was at the tree. He said he killed Crawford, but he's 100 years old. It's not possible. So I covered it up.
I'm sorry.
Sorry for what?
Hands, show me your hand. I fucking move. Fucking do something, Comfort.
All of them? if every pill's a different memory? That'd fuck you up. Take them all in that way.
Right?
They said it causes psychosis.
Yeah. So if it was a bunch of different memories? Now, if he was a smart man, he would have taken some of those pills from the bottle before doing that. Throw it away. All that money he just spent. You think you'd go a couple days, make sure, fix the problem?
Get your money back, yo.
They got what they wanted from him, so they had to get rid of him.
Yeah, he knows too much. So, that was
Wade.
episode 5.
Oh, Wade.
Man, I feel bad for Wade.
I know.
We learned all about Looking Glass. The trauma, where he was on 11-2, and what he does day to day. What do we think?
Well, when you are a superhuman lie detector, you'd think you'd ask more pointed questions.
Sure.
So, I mean, if he's actually a living lie detector and able to pick out all that kind of stuff, I would ask more pointed questions of you.
Well, you had no reason to suspect her of anything.
Yeah.
Up until he did. Then it was kind of like
Yeah, it was too late.
he was manhandled.
Yeah.
If he had waited for backup, he would have waited for a while because there was no backup coming.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They probably would have went to him.
But if he'd waited, for backup, they either would have came to him, or he would have realized something's up, and then maybe gone home, got his mask, called into the precinct, and said, "Hey, this shit's happening." Like,
Yeah, that's why I was wondering, like, why did he go in by himself without his mask when the whole reason...
because he's a man.
He had his hat.
The whole reason why, like,
The
you're
mask
covered...
mandate thing.
Yeah.
DOPA.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know. That didn't really make much sense. And it felt like it was just to, like, move the plot along. But...
A little bit. It's a little bit of that.
Yeah.
But, yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's part of, reliving the moment when the girl took his clothes. Chasing after her. Like, no! Not again!
Yeah.
He's messed up. He went through
Yeah.
back-to-back trauma. One relatively small but very personal, and one very large
Right after.
and world-changing, but not personal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel bad for Wade.
So he was super religious. I wouldn't be surprised if he's not anymore.
Yeah.
And we find out he runs a support group, Squids Anonymous type deal, where he lies to everyone and says that he got past it to help others get past it.
Yeah, now we know.
I like that the password is "Do you know Nemo?" or "Friend of Nemo." So.
Yeah, now, like, we know why there's just random squid raining randomly.
Yeah. Yeah, it's just a follow-up to keep people scared.
Yeah.
So we don't kill each other as much.
Mm-hmm.
Until Adrian comes back from Europa.
So you think he's on Europa?
I think so, yeah, because Europa is the notorious ice moon of Jupiter. There's definitely Jupiter in the background. But there are 19 moons of Jupiter, so I can't,
Alright, can't say for certain.
Yeah.
He's somewhere near Jupiter.
Somewhere near Jupiter. So you think he was killing all those people to make a sign that says "Save me"?
It's possible. I think it was like both. Maybe it was like
I think it was more the experiment of throwing him, and he got out there and went, "Oh, perfect! I have material."
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's big, and there's a satellite right there, which apparently he knew that there was gonna be a satellite.
Yeah, he had
there.
it timed out with his little watch thing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So, actually, that makes sense because it would take a while for the satellite to get around there. So he knew.
Unless it's specifically there to watch it.
Yeah.
In which case.
Yeah, but I think the bodies were just for him to experiment how to get up there and how long it would take for him to do that and all that stuff.
Okay.
Yeah, but it seemed like it was a pretty straight shot back. I feel like the catapult was just to get past the warden. You didn't have to run past him. He was just launched out past him. And then...
Yeah. Could be. I mean, it's to dispose of things, right, Warden? Aha, I'm going. Yeah, could be one of those, yeah. What else happened this episode? It was very Wade-centric, so you see, yeah, he does the over 500 tests on the machine until it breaks. He has the bunker. The pills are nostalgia, which cause psychosis. But the pills contain memories.
And well,
I
we
wonder if
know.
you're supposed to take the pill and then like pass out so you can live the memory, or
She took the whole bottle, so I think next episode we're going to see what happens.
like overdose.
Yeah. Okay. Any predictions on what's going to happen to her for taking all those pills?
She's gonna see some memories.
Okay.
I don't think she's gonna go crazy, but
She's gonna
I
be
mean-
pissed off at Will. He
I mean,
explicitly said that was gonna happen.
yeah.
Yes.
And he knew that she was gonna take them at some point. So, like, I think, well, it seems like the senator, and Will and Lady True are all like kind of working together in their own way to like.
The senator was working with Crawford,
Yeah.
so Will's working against whatever it was that Crawford and the senator were doing.
They are planning something. They got the teleporter going.
Yeah.
They said they're not going to summon a squid. A, because that's impossible. But B, because it's been done. They want to do something new.
Yeah, but it seems like they're about creating peace.
They said maintaining the
Well,
peace.
maintaining.
By
So
ha-
it's a new fear that they want to.
And
Right.
Lady True and Will are doing something.
The white supremacists control the white supremacists and the police. So that's why there was so long with no violence between the two groups. After White Knight, he says he took control so that wouldn't happen again. But
Yeah.
who believes him? He's a white supremacist.
Yeah, and a politician to boot.
And a bad. You think one's bad? Wait till you combine with another.
I don't think we have to wait.
Yeah. Yeah. But yeah, okay. So are you thinking this is all part of one big plan, or you think it's two competing plans?
Well, I was thinking one big plan.
Right.
It might be one big plan. Two groups don't realize that they're interfering with the others.
Yeah.
Because Lady True idolizes Adrian Veidt to an extent here. Right? They got the statue and everything. But Veidt also is supposed to be helping the government with that whole video thing because he helped Redford get elected. So
Right.
you would think both of them would be moving towards the same path. It also might be two opposing groups working underneath Veidt without realizing that they are. Star Wars-esque, the clone troopers and the droids. Right. They're two fighting groups, but
So you could have set wheels in motion so that it aligns with his attempt to escape from Redford.
yeah.
I could see that. I can see that happening. Okay.
He is the smarty pants.
Yeah. What do you think they're trying to do with that teleporter device? They're throwing basketballs into it right now. Testing it out, I
Yeah,
guess.
trying to better understand it.
Not sure. But whatever it is, it's probably going to happen in Tulsa. So, yeah. I'm wondering if, like, because Adrian is, like, worked with the government and, yeah, like, maybe the white supremacists and the government, the police, they were all part of his plan originally. And maybe something happened. So he's stuck now. Like, I don't think he got stuck voluntarily.
Okay.
But yeah.
You think the government has set that up? Some kind of super prison the government owns somehow?
I'm not sure.
Who knows what they're capable of technology-wise?
Yeah.
Could be anywhere from the beepers to teleportation devices. I mean, it's all over the place.
Technology doesn't really make sense in this universe.
It's different from our own by quite a bit. Okay, I think that's some good predictions here. Don't tell them if they're wrong, internet. That will spoil the fun of you watching them react to what's happening. So no spoilers in the comments.
Yeah.
All you. I don't really have an idea of what to ask them for the comment section, so Let us know what other shows you'd like us to react to. Because we have a list, but it's kind of whatever. I'm the only one who submitted stuff to the list. So if you got any ideas out there, let us know. And thank you for watching. Subscribe.
Hit the bell and all that.
Yeah, all that crap. All that junk.